Before cutting fabric or buying new pants, it's essential to take accurate measurements for a proper fit. You can do this alone or with a friend using a measuring tape to measure both your crotch depth and length. To find your crotch depth, sit straight and measure from your waist to the bottom of your crotch. For crotch length, measure from the back waist through the legs to the front waist, ensuring the tape remains smooth and snug along your body curves. It's helpful to squat lightly when taking this measurement for flexibility. Additionally, use well-fitting pants to get accurate rise measurements by measuring the front and back rises separately and then adding them together. Always take your measurements twice to verify accuracy, especially if you're planning to sew.